There are three possible ways in which we pronounce third person S in the present simple. Words that end with the sound P, like stop. When we add S to this word, it becomes stops. Words that end in K, like cook, cooks. Words that end with the sound F, like puff, puffs. Words that end with the sound T, like cut, cuts. But if the word ends with the sound Z, like buzz, if we add an S to this word, we'll pronounce it as buzzes. So the final S here is pronounced as is. It's pronounced as is. If the word ends with the sound sh, like wash, it becomes washes. If it ends in a ch, like watch, it becomes watches. If it ends in j, like manage, manages. But if it ends with a consonant, ends with a consonant sound, like b, d, g, v, r, m, or n, it's pronounced as z. Like clean, add an s, it becomes cleans. See, sees. Play, plays. Go, goes. So it's pronounced as z, whether it ends with a vowel sound or a consonant, like any one of these, b, d, g, v, r, m, or n. Examples in front of us. How do we say the first one? Eats. So the final S here is pronounced as S. Type 2. Buys. The final S here is pronounced as Z. Type 3. Watches. The final S here is pronounced as is. So we have three possible ways of saying the final S, whether it's S or Z or is. Let's have exercise about this. Say these verbs aloud, then number them as type 1, which is S, type 2, which is Z, yes, type 3, which is. Okay, let's go through this again. Yes. How do we say this? Right, add an S, it becomes writes. The next one, how do you say this? Great, sells. The third one, is it managed or manages? Yes, great, it's manages. The next one, goes. Thank you. What about the last one in here? Relaxes. Thank you very much. That's great. That's great. Let's go through the answers, the questions and the answers. Yes, so type 1 is S, type 2 is Z, type 3 is. Thank you very much. See you inshallah next time everyone with a new activity. Thank you.